what do we need to add to those two things in the bowl?
Water.
Yep. How long do we need to wait before they will be ready?
1 minute. 1 hour or soak overnight. Lift it up and put it there. Lift it up again. For the sprout to grow. Water in this cup? What's gonna break this cup?
How often do you water it?
For a while.
And then when it sprouts, where should we put it?
In the sun.
And into the different